to a brand new video. Today we will be robbing the new jailbreak train that we are already on very clearly. We will be robbing it. And then we will be robbing a few other things because I think it is. You guys have no idea how hard it is to rob this train. Well, you probably know how hard it is to rob this train, but not like how I wanted to do it. I kept messing up every time. I really like this train. I like this new train. I also like how I made it so we can just run through, like as if it wasn't even moving. Looks like the max we can hold is like 4,000, but still let me pick up stuff. Oh no, I can't see anything. It still lets you pick up stuff. We'll run back up to the front. This is fun. Let's go watch. First time ever doing this. It should let you like sit in these chairs. Oh shoot, I heard the glass break. Oh, he was just a criminal. Turned out he was a police officer in disguise. I'd be so mad. Thanks for the car! Oh dang it, it's locked. I was gonna hijack the car. I'm gonna hijack his car! Yeah! Let's go to the collector, dude. This is actually the very first time it even let me rob it. Holy cow, you gotta be so rude. Literally, I've had so many attempts at trying to rob this, and it did not go well. This was the very first time it actually worked. The very, very first time that I actually got the train, and yeah. For a minute there, I didn't know if we were actually even gonna make it. If there isn't a cop here, but there's one heading this way. So let's go send this to collect to see how much we get. It gives us exactly as much as we had. Unlike the museum, I think I kind of like the museum more. It gives you more than what you actually have. Oh no. Oh no, come on, let me lock my vehicle. And I guess that the rest of it is gonna be robbing normal stuff, I guess. Yeah, like the J store. After the many attempts that I've had to rob the train and failed badly. I don't know why they have all these little monster trucks, but they don't even look like monster trucks. They're like mini monster trucks. I don't know if they actually are or not. I stole that one guy's car also. I stole his car and went to the collector. Wait, no, please wait. Can you please wait for me? Huh, that was so close. That guy was mean. He was gonna shut me out. And I was right here, basically. I find that quite rude. It's mine. I don't understand this man. Okay. Almost got enough. Okay, now we wait for them to respawn. I was waiting here for it to respawn. What are you doing? You're just jumping around like jump, jump, jump. And also, if you haven't already, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Now, I'm not enough the video. Just do it straight. Sub to Bob. Break. So I need is a few more and then we could. I know this one's gonna respawn first. Yeah, see? I got it. Haha. Jerk. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Oh no. That was a close one. I almost just walked through all the lasers. Now that wouldn't have been very good. Come on. Go, 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 go. This normally works. I don't know why it ain't working. Oh well. We should head on out of... Ow. 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 Out of here. Okay. Just keep on going. We're good. Made it out alive. That train come again? I'm pretty sure that train came again. That's cool, but it's not cool at the same time. Because of how many times, how long I was just sitting there, waiting for it to spawn. It never did. And does that mean we can rob it again? Come on. Come on. I can do this. I hope I can do this. Come on, let me on. Let me on. Board train. Let me aboard the train. Come on. No, it's not good. Oh well. I robbed it once. Would be cool to rob it again. But you know what? If you can't, it's whatever. So now we just basically. Wait a minute. I just realized that this train gives you just as much money as the normal train. Like you would think for how hard this one is to rob and how easy the other one is, it would give you even more. But no, they both give you 4,000. Like even if this one gave you 5,000, 4,100. Be better. And I know that not everybody even gets that much. A lot of people don't even have a duffel bag. Yeah. What's that guy doing up there? He's just creepily sitting up there. Well, I guess we're gonna be able to rob too much. Well, I guess we're just gonna see. And yeah. There goes the choo-choo train. I wish that it would have been that easy to get spawned like over and over. But it was not. It passes? Where is the train? Must be already got all the way through. Well, this looks like where we're going to end off, Robin. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. So this looks like where we're going to end off the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and peace.